Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Expo Inn. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Expo Inn. Located on the Tulsa Expo Square and State Fairgrounds, this hotel is 4 minutes walk of Big Splash Water Park. A daily continental breakfast is served, and free Wi-Fi is offered in every room. A flat-screen cable TV is provided in every room at Expo Inn. For added convenience, a microwave and refrigerator are also included. The 24-hour reception desk at Expo Inn offers fax and photocopying services to all guests. Free parking is also available. The University of Tulsa is just 2 miles away. BOK Center and Central Tulsa can be reached in 10 minutes drive. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.